Welcome to another unit that I just currently won. There's not much in this unit. There is several bicycle frames. Well, let me just get it open. I'm going to have to put something in front of the door because it keeps slamming shut. I've been in here a little bit. But basically there's a bunch of bicycle frames, bicycle wheels, tires that is. And then I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 totes and whatnot. So here, come on in. Oh. Hey everybody. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another storage unit I got. These are the kind of units I really do like because you can get them cheap. Everybody passes on these kind of units. If you're doing this, there are people, they buy those big storage units. I just don't have the capacity. These kind of units I can do. I can source them, I can take care of it at this moment, and I can just get it done. But this is actually pretty good. I've already kind of glanced into it. It does have a lot of bicycle parts, frames, tires. I got about 5 or 6 boxes and totes. I'm going to try and source that right now. So we have a lot of bike frames. We got some kind of a, I'm not sure what that is. It's metal. It'll go to the scrapyard eventually. It looks like we got parts of a Hot Wheel. A lot of bikes. This will probably just be mostly scrap. None of the bikes look like they're high-end stuff. They don't really. But it's this right here. That's what I gotta go through. So I'm going to actually do it inside here. I'm going to go through this one real quick. Looks like it's mostly tools. I'll keep that. I also at the flea market. But that kind of stuff always seems to sell. Oh wow. See the Afghans, there's a lot of yarn in here. A lot of yarn. Okay, this I'm not going to get rid of. We got a lid for it too. I saw a lot of. I'll just keep this. Believe it or not, I've actually sold these at the flea market, not for much money. A little bit of money. So I saw a lot of yarn, a couple of Afghans. I don't know if they're complete or if they were ones that they were working on. But I've had very good luck selling Afghans at the flea market. Yarn, people always buy it up. If there's brand new ones in there, I'll check them on eBay. But for the most part, this is just going to be like this, and I'll just take it to the flea market. I might even just take it to the flea market the way it is. See a lot of dead flowers. I'm going to go through this. I think it's worthwhile. It's on the dirty side. I love finding these older games. Assuming it's in here. Yep, I see a disc in there. More glow, less shadow. So this stuff I'm going to hold on to. I'm going to go through this real quick. This is mostly going to go to Goodwill. I'll go through it real quick. I'll pull out books that catch my interest. We'll use that tote for that stuff. Or it might just be another tote I just throw in the van. Mastering Spanish. Veterans. These are normally pretty good. See, ooh. Oh, people love this stuff. It's not inexpensive, but Goodwill. See a lot of dead things in here. Now I am seeing a lot of those dead flower bits and pieces all over, so it's just dead flowers. It's nothing nasty. I think this one we're just going to take So I got 2 boxes I'm not going to go through right now. And I got some more stuff going to Goodwill. So this will sell at the flea market. I think it's like a paint stain right there. This is from Diamond Plate Genuine Leather. It's a nice coat. These towels are not too nasty. I throw them in the wash with a bunch of other stuff. Clean them. It's a nice bag. It says Bounty Hunter Metal Detector. I have found no metal detector. What it goes to, I'm not exactly sure. There might be something in this box or that box, but this is a nice cardboard. This looks like one for a telescope. It's just, we'll hold on to this. These are typically aluminum. In the worst case scenario, I can take this apart real quick and just sell it as scrap aluminum if it's worth my time. Or no, this might just be for, okay, maybe not a telescope. It's an easel. It's a tripod for an easel. So I didn't intend to at least look these up. There is a bit of wear on them. I really don't know if they're worth anything, but they're like ninja shoes from Band. And you get some kind of a symbol. Not sure what that is. I have to look them up. I'll put them in with that stuff. I'm not gonna get too much into going through all this unless I see something worthwhile. I really don't. No money, personal paperwork. You see some another thing at home. I don't sell at the flea market. People buy them all the time. I do sell Bibles online. I'll have to check this one. My first Bible. If it's written in, I don't normally sell them. I just leave them. But a lot of things in here I'm noticing. Oh, Calvin Klein. Personal. I've got a lot of personal journals. Yeah, notes. I'm just going to leave this stuff. I'll keep that. Scrap value, there's not much scrap here, but it's just better I take this stuff to the scrap yard. They're not far from here. I can easily deal with that. eBay, when I did see some eBay stuff, books and whatnot. Probably at this point $100 in eBay stuff. I haven't gone through all those books and boxes, so it might be more, it could even be less. Scrap value is probably a couple £100. It's not going to be more than maybe, I'd say $7 or $8, but better than me just taking it out to the dump. It'll cost me money to take it out to the dump. And I noticed at the dump, they see all this metal, they'll just round it up, put it in a large dumpster, and whichever scrap money company comes and gets it. But I'm pretty much done here. I just got to load up the van. So this scrapyard will take these kind of tires, but if you have a unit that has tires in it, don't expect the scrapyard to take it with buying units. I don't like to buy storage units with tires. I just don't. The rims on 5 of the tires are aluminum. That's worth some money. But I need to know what to do with the tires. Whew, I can tell you these aren't good ones. They are heavy. Skateboard. It's still in pretty good shape. They'll sell at the flea market for a couple bucks, maybe $3 or $4. mag. I want to check this first. Dirty when it hit the ground. I don't think it's aluminum. No, it is. All right, that one is not going to be scrapped. At least not yet. Oh yes. Alright, so this one wheel is actually aluminum. These are not. So tire pump. Pretty well used. I'm just going to scrap it. They will take stuff like that all the time. Hopefully they haven't changed. Goodwill. So I'll be honest, there was nothing spectacular that stuck out, but for $10, it was a good unit. I've been figuring 150, 200-ish. I'll know more once I start going through those boxes. Flea market, what I saw so far, about $30 to $50. And at this point, I'm going to keep the eBay at $100. I'm only now starting to post videos and stuff. If you like what I'm doing, or you have a comment, please leave it below. And if you want, please like, subscribe, share. Hopefully my videos help people do this. I'm a bottom feeder. I go for the low end stuff. I don't normally buy big units. I don't buy expensive units. I buy units like these. I work a job as well, so this allows me to be able to get through this quick and be done with it. Anyway, you have a good day. I'm on to my next adventure.